morning. It's 6:15 in the morning at the end of Kurukshetra Hackathon, and we have created an application to authenticate users for logging into eBay online. And this is a sign up page. Here you have options, as you can see, for entering user new details and then registering for a new user account. And then they could, since nowadays you have touch enabled devices like laptops which have touch screens, as well as tablets and smartphones which are Windows enabled. So we have big buttons for entering the passcode, and here usually it's like you enter the values of the password passcode. It's not a password, where you have a standard set of values, and then you enter them, and without hitting the enter button, it directly goes in, and then that's a login page. And obviously you have the forgot password in case you lose your account details. And then we have the back end. The back end, we have used MySQL and PHP, running a XAMPP server, and we have a database maintained for the users, their credit card number, and all the expiry details, and the remaining details of the user, like email ID, for authentication purposes. And then we have the desktop side. We have created two parts, a desktop side and a mobile side application. The desktop side application, after registering and logging in, we can actually, you can use eBay API to choose the desired product for buying purposes. And then when you click on the buy button, you can look at the screen, and this is the latitude and the longitude of the current position determined over the internet. And this is used for authentication purposes, as you can see here. Here you have a Windows phone which is also displaying the latitude and longitude, and so when for authentication purposes, the mobile phone, which is Windows enabled, must also be close to the desktop application, the desktop or the laptop which is running the desktop application side, and must be activated so that your payment is sanctioned. So that improves security and also helps the user without having to enter very huge numbers for authentication purposes. And we have linked the server and the desktop side by using a router, so that we don't have to register for a DNS for experimental purposes. So as a result, we have concluded this hackathon by enabling users a very easy tool for logging into eBay and authenticating themselves for buying new products, encouraging them without having to go through the lengthy process of registration and authentication. It helps them just by the click of a button to use their mobile phone as a key to authenticate themselves. Thank you.